Welcome to linuxhelp.com. For today's topic, I will show you how to write your Ansible playbooks. What is Ansible playbooks? Playbooks are the files where Ansible code is written. Playbooks are written in YML format. Playbooks are one of the core features of Ansible and tells Ansible what to execute. They are like a to-do list for Ansible that contains a list of tasks. An Ansible playbook is an organized unit of scripts that defines work for a server configuration managed by the automation tool Ansible. Ansible is a configuration management tool that automates the configuration of multiple servers by use of Ansible playbooks. So now let's jump into our topic. First, we will discuss about what is Ansible, and then we will execute it. So now we will learn what is Ansible and its playbook here. Ansible is an open source configuration management and provisioning tool similar to Chef and Puppet. It uses SSH to connect to servers and run the configured tasks. Ansible lets you control and configure nodes from a single machine, which you can say you are controlling your node's machine from your Ansible control stations, where you have already installed Ansible. Now, what is Ansible playbooks? Playbooks are simple YAML files. These files are description of the desired state of your system. Playbooks makes your installation, upgrades, and day-to-day management repeatable task and reliable. In playbook contain plays. Plays contain the task and tasks are called the modules. So let's see the sample playbook format. Playbook start with the YAML 3 dots. If you see here, these are the YAML 3 dots. Every playbook start with these 3 dots. And you can see the file type is .yml. And here in playbook you can see the awesome spacing and the way the code is organized here. That is why we can say that Ansible is very human readable language. So whole file here is the Ansible playbook. So right here you can see there's a name. The name is good for the keeping the playbook readable. The name I have defined here, I love nano. After that, there's a host entry. Identifies the target for Ansible to run against. The host contains the name of the group, which I have defined in the inventory file of Ansible. On the same indent level as the two prior statement will go for the task, after which any play are listed below. So in this case, I have one task. I want to make sure that text editor nano is installed or not on my servers. So this is my task defined here. Ensure nano is there. So this right here is the yum module. So modules are basically is little small programs that help us to find the state we want to be in server in. So using yum module, we can make sure that nano is on the machine, and the state here defines that the nano should be of the latest version. So when I go to run this playbook, it's going to do all the tasks defined in the playbook. Now I am going to copy the whole content from here and will paste it in my Ansible control station. First of all, I will create one file here using Vim editor. I love nano, and the format is YML format. And I am going to mode, press I, and paste the content here, and write and quit the file. Now your playbook has been created. Book in Ansible. Book in Ansible. The command we will use it Ansible -playbook and specify the file name or file. I love nano and just press enter. And you will see here My play name is I Love Nano. The task, gathering facts. The Ansible will collect the information of your node machine. The task, here the task which I have defined the task for my node machine, this would be specified by the yum module. Yum will ensure that the nano file is there or not. And the last thing is play recap. In play recap, you will see the state is OK and the change is equals to 1. That means changes in my node machine. The task gathering facts, you can disable it if you want, but by default it will gather the information of your node machine. I will show you some interesting thing here. If I am going to run again my Ansible playbook YAML file, you will see some changes here. Now it's completed. Now here you can see that change is equal to 0. This means nothing has been changed. So the Ansible will not make any change if the state which I want is already there. So this is the very good features for the Ansible. So what if I want that my nano should not be at there in my node machine? So I will move to my playbook file, I love nano.yaml, and I will change the state, go to insert mode, from latest to absent. And I will edit the name, play name, ensure nano is not there. Write and quit the file and just run your command here. Now you will see the change is equals to 1 there. State is OK and change is equals to 1. So this is the very basic example for the Ansible playbook. If you want to do some changes, an interesting thing in Ansible playbook, you can visit the sites of Ansible documentation. You can visit there and you will find that there are many modules have been shown there and you can use those modules and you can run your Ansible playbook by using that modules. So I will show different type of Ansible playbooks in my next videos, tutorials. If you like it, please subscribe to our channel, and also to watch more tutorial, please visit our website www.linuxhelp.com. And if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.